What's up, guys? How's it going? Sorry if there's an echo. I'm in a really empty room, and that's because my task today is to paint this room. And I figured I would upload it because, well, I kind of showed you guys me starting to build an island, and so when my roommate isn't here, I kind of took on this task, I guess you could say, especially since it's going to be my room. But I ran into a challenge because he wants one of the walls to have like a particular pattern on it so that it like differs and looks fancy and artsy and stuff. And so, yeah, I guess I'll show you guys. So this is the pattern. It's kind of cool, yeah. But my issue was I'm gonna be doing gray and white. So, you know, one spot will be like, say that one for example, gray, this one white, that one gray, this one white. And it'll kind of be like a checkered, but like at a slant. I don't know. But what I realized is there is tape, and the tape is like an inch or so. And so I'm having to move the tape into the sections where I'll be painting or won't be painting. And so that's what I started doing over here. Actually looks kind of cool this way, but yeah, so like the bigger squares will be what is gray, and then I have, you know, the extra tape on the white side because that's where I won't be painting. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy, and I'll keep you posted. What's up, guys? So it is the next day. There's still an echo. Yeah, sorry about that, but it's an empty room. I can't really do much about it. But I want to kind of give you guys more detail as to what I'm doing with the tape. So yeah, let me get into that. So what I've done is I brought this line above the original one so that I could paint beneath the line and it would cover where I marked to make all of them even. And then I made this tape mark on the other side, and this one doesn't matter because it's going to be white, so it's going to stay white, so it doesn't matter that the tape's on the side, and so I can paint up to the edge of where I've marked for the line here. And so basically I've just been doing that on every other where I'm going to be painting. So yeah, the tape is finished. Looks pretty crazy, right? I'm actually pretty excited to see how this turns out. I can't stop looking at it. Well, I guess it's on the paint. So that's the paint code, in case you guys want to get the same paint. And that's the gray. Honestly, it looks like primer in this, but it's not. Like we tested a bunch of grays, and this is what we came up with. But you'll see in the finished product the gray that it actually is when it dries and everything. Selfie! I'm just kidding. This is recording. So that's what I got so far. Still got a little bit more. Almost there. Done. Oh, what's up? I'm just, sitting here waiting for paint to dry. Wondering, is it DIY if you always do it yourself? Not by here. Here's what it is. I think the hardest part is waiting for it to dry so that I can see what it looks like. I'm sitting on a ladder, so I'm about to fall off. But yeah, let me know what you think so far. I really just want to take the tape off, honestly. Day 2, paint's getting pretty dry. Sorry about the noise. I put a little heater in here. But don't worry, it's not facing the wall, it's facing outward. But to try and help the paint dry a little bit since it's been colder. If anything, maybe I'll drown out the echo that's in here for the video. But yeah, I guess phase 2 is to tape and paint their other walls. So through the power of editing, and by editing I mean stop and re-record, I taped everything off, except for this little section right here. There's like a 4-foot section that I have to go get tape for. Also, I did the ceiling, and I've seen like people paint before and they not do the ceiling, and I mean that's cool. Like if you're a painter and not taping the ceiling and just having the skill to paint without taping the ceiling, that's awesome. But I don't do that for a living, so this is how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, let me go get some tape for that. But yeah, this is where I was doodling all my math. That's where the real power of editing is for this, to make everything perfect. Jeez.